guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Ruko 600 here with gins. Ignore the, that's not in the right key, but ignore the sidebar bitting. There's no sidebar milling in these locks. I got a set from Rev on Discord. One's supposed to be all gins and the other one's supposed to be mixed pinning with gin milling. Just trying to get binders now, and we should be able to tell what we got from there. A deep false set should be good indication of gins. Let me reset that. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 isn't binding. 1. Swap to a hook 1. 1, 2, 3, 6, 5. All right. Let's see. Find that. Let's go with this one. All right. Let's start in the back. Work our way up. It's 5. Apparently I just dropped stuff. We might start in the front next time. 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is binding. 4. All right. Let's try this again. Maybe we'll get lucky. And I just drop stuff, trying to set that gin. All right. 1 feels set though, so let's go to 2. And I'm dropping stuff, which isn't good. All right, let's try this again. You don't want to drop a bunch of stuff. All right, there's one. May not have had one fully set last time. All right, there's two. Three. May have missed one. One. Four. Four again. There we go. All right, so guess we got it. And then I'll stop the video and pick the other one. All right, so that's we got a key so we can lock it up. Screwdriver. Guess I can bring that down a little. There we go. Find the right key. Is this the right follower? It's not. It's this one. Let me shim it before I do something. All right. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's look at the milling. It's good sharp milling. Looks basically new. Milling in all 6. All right. let's see what I do with tweezers. There's a set. Let's see. There we go. All right, gin, 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 and gin. So that's the Ruko 600. See, it's got a little sidebar slide on the body for if it was a combi core, but it's not. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Rev, for sending this to me. I'll get the other one picked. All right.